Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my great unboxing. I've been making masks the past 3 months during all this COVID stuff, and I was able to put some money aside in spite of donating a bunch of it to charity. And I gave my Janome in the meantime a humongous workout. I mean, at least 4 hours a day sewing masks and other things that were in my shop, at my Etsy shop. Um, on nancypranic.etsy.com, and I just been wanting a new machine for a long time. The Juki is a real workhorse, I hear, although it needs oil quite a bit. So I'm going to unbox it and see it for the first time together. Pre-cut this a little bit. There's some staples in here. Pretty well packaged. So it's the Juki a TL 2000 QI. This is probably the table. Yes, it is. That's for the bobbin access. This looks like a knee controller. I knew I wouldn't be able to lift this out. It's a pretty heavy machine. So I went opening it sideways. The back, I guess. Let's see. Foot left. Awesome. It's got a thread cutter. This is the return. Our backstitch, I mean. The needle drop and the speed. No, this is a foot drop. Sure where the speed is, if it's just controlled by the foot or not. It is heavy. My cats are scared. This is for cones. Threads of cones of thread. Oops. the lift for the cones, with the threads. So excited! I think that's it from the box. Not quite sure what this is. Maybe this. Oh, I know what it is. It's the cover for the machine. Just plastic. Opens up. Foot pedal. And the cord is all in here. So it doesn't retract, but you wind it up. Which is fine with me. Also in here, the power cord. I'm very curious to know what kind of bobbins and stuff it takes. If it's the same as my Janome or not. So there's a package of accessories here. Oil bottle. Oh good, a walking foot. Screwdriver. 4 organ needles, 11-14. Another screwdriver. This holds the thread in place. There's Binks. 4 bobbins. A little dusting brush. So they are flat bobbins. Similar to what I have. I'm not sure if you can only use flat, so we'll test it out. And we'll test out the needles too. I'm going to see what these are to see if they fit. Truly. I've never used these before. The organ needles. They are flat one side. What do you think? Hey, Binks? That in there for now.